Hello everyone from Northeast Southwest, ako po si Gilbert. I would like to share with all of you my story. I started to video commentary myself when my journey began as a overseas Filipino worker abroad. I am working in a renowned microchip company in Taiwan. Isa akong machine operator or commonly they call as a factory worker. Taiwan is such a small country, but the economy here is better. All the business here is all about manufacturing assembly and semiconductor company. Due to the evolution of technology and market demands, local employers hired immigrants to come and work in different company in this country. I am working in an intensive process called clean room process. Wafer and die attach operator ang aking trabaho. Before entering the production line, I have to wear an electrostatic suit, boots, and gloves to prevent the microchip from getting damaged upon working. And this is how we look like inside the production area. A line leader will designate the workers and every employee can handle 5 to 6 machines from different stages upon processing the microchip device. Heto po yung aking mga katrabaho. 12 working hours ang aking trabaho daily. Meron akong 4 working days with 2 days off. Meron din overtime depende sa volume ng production. Heto po ang common area. During our break time, dito kami kumakain at nagpapahinga. Mula sa basement ng gusali na ito, merong lagusan papunta sa underground parkade going to the other building. Tara samahan ninyo ako sa 6th floor. Ito yung underground na sinasabi ko sa inyo. Tapos lulusot ako dito sa bagong building namin, yung 3C. Kaya dito ako madalas dumadaan kapag maulan, pero kapag maaraw okay lang. Yan, i-elevator na ako. Ayan guys. Walang ganong sasakyan ngayon dahil holiday dito. Yun, dito na tayo. Access card ulit. Tapos 6th floor na guys, pupunta na tayo dun sa kantin dito sa 3C. Mas malawak ang common area rito sa bagong gusali. Panoramic view naman ang matatanaw mo sa malaking bintana na ito. Nakaka-relax, di ba? Ang sarap mag-selfie. Minsan naman, sa labas ng company kami kumakain. Malapit lang kasi ang palengke sa aming company. Tatawid ka lang sa train station at nandyan ka na. Ang bilis talaga ng oras kapag busy sa trabaho. Pagkatapos ng endorsement of machine sa mga night shift operator, excited na kaming umuwi at magpahinga sa aming dormitory. Pero kailangan ko pang magpunta sa Hsinchu upang mag-aral ng English language dahil nag-a-apply ako pa Canada. Sana nagustuhan mo ang video na ito at sana pala rin ako na maipasa ko ang nalalapit na Canadian Employers Interview. Hanggang sa muli, ako po si Gilbert. Paalam!